Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. Thank you so much for being watching me. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video, share with your friends if this topic is quite interesting you. Please support us and let's start. Firstly, we have recorded last time a video about the Addmefast website to show you that there is a possibility to get free points, and then you can have also daily bonus according to the points that you gain. You have to gain at least 100 points to get the 400 free, and then you can consume it or you can transform as points for your social media accounts or for your website. For example, if you are willing to promote your Instagram followers, YouTube channel subscribers, and views, Twitter, Telegram, many social medias options are here. So we will also do the same for today. We are going to uh, have work in this website. As a tutorial, I will be making the 400 bonus daily points and show you how we can gain it in a very limited time, even though the problems of internet or any kind of this thing like here. So but this video is about one website which I'm going to share with you. The website name is Coinpayu. So Coinpayu is a new website of our channel which I'm going to show you in a very limited time, that you can work, you can view the ads, earn some points, and then you can convert the points into coins. You can add it to your wallet, you can add to your bank account or any of your cards. So here the website is looking like this when you will sign up according to your affiliation that I will leave you in the description below. You can just click on there and subscribe in this website to get free money from here. So first of all, dashboard. The dashboard are showing you the main balance, purchase balance, referrals. Here I am having 000 as you can see, because today's video is on the 20th of October and my membership starts from today in this website. I already have subscribed and make my account in this website. As you can see, I will leave you the website link so that you can click over there and make your subscription so that you can start. The first thing that you can do is that you view the ads. There are some options like serve, window, video. Okay. Firstly, let's start with serve ads. So here they are going to give you 24, 25 or 24, sorry, 24 some ads that you can have here. Okay. Like this. You can complete them and get some satoshi. Window ads. As you can see, they are giving you a limited time to complete every task. 60 seconds, 20 seconds, 15. As you can see here, video ads. you have up to 3 video ads, okay, offers like this, so that you can work on here. After this video, I will be showing you some of these websites as a tutorial like this. We will explain each website and the offers that they may give you to earn some extra cash over here. Faucet. They say that most of these platforms, this is the one of them that might give you more satoshis or more cash from this. That faucet and offers as well. The offers they may give you according to your location or maybe according to your device. So let's have finished this video. The next video will be a tutorial about the Coinpayu website, how to earn points. I will be doing in front of you so that you can do the same and earn some satoshis. Sorry.